Today we're going to show you a new product from JLT Performance. It takes the OEM look under the hood of your 05 through 09 Mustang and makes it look even better. Ford started using radiator covers in the mid-90s to give your engine bay a more finished look, but in my opinion, in the 05 through 09, they really missed the mark because it covers the center here, but leaves us kind of wide open and gives an unfinished look. Well, this new piece from JLT is going to replace the factory one, and as you can see, it actually will cover the entire front of the car for a much, much cleaner look. We'll remove our factory cover by removing these 6 push pins. We're now going to remove these 4 10mm bolts. 2 here, same 2 on the other side. Now the kit includes 2 Velcro mounting strips. They're going to go right here. So we're going to clean this area off real quick. Make sure we get decent adhesion. Kind of stick it right on the high side here. I grab our new JLT cover. Put the front edge inside the grill. And line up all the holes. We're going to install the 4 supplied clips. Okay, install the factory hardware. And grab the supplied bolt covers. You can use a mallet if you need to. You can kind of press them on with your fingers, and your installation is finished. The JLT radiator cover fits like an OEM piece and matches all the OEM textures, but looks a lot better than the factory piece and gives the engine bay a much more finished look. The installation of this is very simple, 20 or 30 minutes, be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.